Okay, so we've been having a lot of the same questions come up on functions and just how to use them. So this video is going to go over just some of the main components or some of the main parts of using functions for Karel. Okay? Let's do an example together. So I first want to talk about lines 2 through 7. Here we're defining the function Backflip. I know this is on make tower, but I'm just going to use this program for this example. So here we have function Backflip. And in order for Karel to do a backflip, that's turning left 4 times. Turning left 3 times is turning right. But for Karel to do a backflip, it's turn left 4 times. And we have it there. And then on line 9, we are calling the function. But I first want to talk about on line 2. I want you to notice how we have a space here. I've been seeing that mistake come up a lot where students don't have the space and they just leave it like this. It's not going to work. We also see that we have the open close parentheses here. Some students have been forgetting this and leaving it. You saw the color has left backflip. We need the open close parentheses for Karel to read it. Also, another common mistake that I've been seeing with functions is students not closing the curly brackets. So as you can see here, we have the open curly bracket, but no closed curly bracket on line 7. That is definitely needed for Karel to read the function. So if I try to run it here, you'll see, there's a missing parentheses. But we're not missing a parentheses, we're actually missing a curly bracket. Now, you'll notice that a lot of times the error that comes up doesn't exactly explain what is actually wrong. So you're going to need it. Sometimes it's confusing with those errors. So just keep that in mind. Like you just saw, it says I'm missing a parentheses when I'm missing a curly bracket. Also, when we're calling the function on line 9, a common mistake I've been seeing is not having the semicolon here. You need to have, you see we have red up. It says, if I hold my cursor over the red, you'll see you wrote backflip without the semicolon, and it should have a semicolon. Okay, so there we go. So just keep that in mind. We want our functions to always look with these components, always have these components. Okay, it is vital that they have these components, or else Karel's not going to be able to read them.